Dejan, what did Gavin do? What Gavin do? He's shopping. Who go shopping?
Gavin.
All the time?
Yeah.
And what he do? Shop. Shopping. What Gavin did?
Shopping.
Yeah. All day.
Why, Mommy?
Right, I agree with you. Who you said went shopping?
He came here for the shopping.
All the time? Wow. And you guys like to go shopping?
No. Yes.
You like to go shopping?
Yes.
You like? You do? To buy what? Huh?
Okay.
What did you say? What did you say? This way? Or that way? No, just leave that. It's heavy. Don't touch it. Okay? Say bye, Uncle Gavin. Have fun shopping. Bye.